Hello friends, I am going to talk about a great British poet, Alexander Pope today. Alexander Pope writes in one of his famous poems, "A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Drink deep or taste not Pierian spring." This great genius, Alexander Pope, was born on May 21, 1688 in London, England, and he passed away on May 30, 1744 in Wickingham near London, England. Alexander Pope was a great poet, satirist, essayist of the English Augustan period. He is best known for his poems such as an essay on criticism published in 1711. The Rape of the Lock came out in 1712-1714. The Dunciad, a famous satire, published in 1728, and an essay on man came out in 1732-34. Apart from these famous works, Alexander Pope translated Homer's Iliad and some other great works, immortal works of Greek and Roman poets. Alexander Pope was a very diseased man. He was unhealthy child. As he was an unhealthy child, he could not go to his school to study. There was a maid servant who helped Alexander Pope get up in the morning. The maid servant got all the domestic work done by Alexander Pope herself, because Alexander Pope was disabled, and he could not do his work himself. Alexander Pope lived a different life. Whenever he went out, he was laughed at by his friends, by the people, because of his dwarfness, because of his deformity. This situation that he faced in his life made him a bitter satirist in English literature. It is why Alexander Pope is considered the best satirist in English literature. However, there is debate or controversy whether Alexander Pope was a great poet or not. The critics are divided into two groups. Some critics say that Alexander Pope was a great poet. He was a great satirist. He gave heroic couplet a new shape and size in English language. And there is another group of critics who hold that Alexander Pope was not a poet of first water. They deny the nomenclature of being a poet to him. John Dryden has defended Alexander Pope in his work lives of the poet. In Life of the Works, he observes, if Alexander Pope cannot be a poet, where is poetry to be found? Or if Alexander Pope is not a poet, where can we have poetry? Thus, John Dryden defends Alexander Pope strongly. Alexander Pope is ranked among the 10 great poets of England. Dear friends, the Rape of Lock is his great satire. It is composed in heroic couplet. It deals with various themes. He chiefly attacks on the frivolities and trivialness of society prevailing those days. I shall talk about different aspects of the Rape of the Lock in my next lecture. I shall talk about the summary of the poem in my next class. Thanks.